Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we are going to introduce you about the economics. Dear students, what is the importance of economics in our daily life? It should be the very important part. Why we are going to read these all things? Why we are reading economics? What is the economics? अर्थशास्त्र क्या है? अर्थशास्त्र हमारे लिए क्यों आवश्यक है? अर्थशास्त्र हमारे डेली लाइफ में क्यों जरूरी है? तो आपको बताया गया होगा बच्चों, इकोनॉमिक्स इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर इंडियन इकोनॉमी। हमारे देश की आर्थिक अर्थव्यवस्था को चलाने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है इकोनॉमिक्स। यहाँ आपको उसी के माध्यम से इंट्रोडक्शन दिया जा रहा है। विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग about economics. The economics is a very important part of our Indian economy and daily life. With the help of that, we can able to achieve any target behalf of these all things. So dear students, in front of you I have written definition of economics. So especially we have to discuss about these things. Economics is the science. Economics is a science which studies human behavior as relationship between in and scarce, mean which have alternative users or uses. This is the called economics. So now once again topic is written in front of you. We have to resolve once again and explain with the help of these things meaning of economics. So in front of you it should be written economics is the science. Economics is the science which studies human behavior. That's why we are reading economics in our daily life. So dear students, with the help of these lines we can clear the definition of meaning of economics. Why economics is a very important part of our daily life. With the help of these things we can say it is the providing relation between in the scarce mean which have alternative uses. This is the definition and meaning of economics. Once again we have to discuss economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ins. Scarce means which have alternative uses. This is the part of economics. This is the meaning of economics. It should be provided you in front of you, and this is the importance. Now dear students, we can say another definition. Economics is an analysis which studies behavior of an individual and the society as whole. Microeconomics, that one is called economics. Okay, another thing we can say scarcity of resources. This is also an important introduction. With the help of that we can able to know about our economics. So in front of you we can say what is the meaning of scarcity in our daily life. Scarcity means actual storage of certain opportunity. Of the particular goods and services or a commodity. But in economics it means limitations of supply. That much is called scarcity of resources. जब किसी पार्टिकुलर साधन संसाधन की हमारे पास कमी हो उसी को कहते हैं स्कैर्सिटी, कमी। और कमी किसी वस्तु की हमें तभी महसूस होती है जब उसकी सप्लाई बाजार में कम हो, उसे कहते हैं स्कैर्सिटी ऑफ रिसोर्सेज। अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी आर फेसिंग वन प्रॉब्लम. दैट प्रॉब्लम इज economic problem. That problem is economic problem. So students, we have to discuss about the next topic. This is the economic problem. So we have to discuss about economic problem and what is the meaning of economic problem. This is the important thing. With the help of that, we can able to know meaning of economic problem. So dear students, one simple definition is given in front of you. The problem of making choice is called economic problem. The problem of making choice is called economic problem. This is the definition. We can say the problem of making choice. The problem of making choice is called economic problem. With the help of that, we will discuss about the economic problem. The problem of making choice is called economic problem. With the help of that, we have to know these all things. But what is the economic problem? Economic problem is a very important part. We know that human wants means we are a human. Our wants are unlimited. So first we have to know that human wants. Human wants is the most important problem. Our wants are unlimited. Okay, our wants are unlimited. With the help of that, we are facing economic problem. Okay, this is the important part. Human wants are unlimited. That's why we are facing a lot of problem in the market, in our life. Another thing, we are using resources. That resources are unlimited. जो रिसोर्सेज हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में है, साधन संसाधन है जिसे हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, वो कितनी है? लिमिट में ही है. ठीक है? लिसन यू ऑल. इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम. द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ मेकिंग चॉइस इज कॉल्ड इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम. Human wants are unlimited. This is the important part. This is important problem. Same thing, resources. जो साधन संसाधन हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में है वो भी क्या है? लिमिटेड है. ये भी सबसे बड़ी समस्या है. हम उससे अधिक उसका इस्तेमाल कर नहीं सकते. That's why we have to do these all things in alternative uses. इसलिए हम इसका समाधान को क्या करेंगे? अल्टरनेटिव यूजेस. इस सामान का हम अल्टरनेट इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ठीक है? इसलिए इस सामान का हम मैक्सिमम इस्तेमाल करेंगे जिससे हम अपनी इकोनॉमिक समस्याओं को दूर कर सकें. These all things we are getting with the help of these things. With the help of that, we can able to utilize our particular goods and services. This is the important part. So dear students, these information is a very important part of your economics. That's why economics is a very important part. अर्थशास्त्र हमारे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है। अर्थशास्त्र की परिभाषा पढ़ाते हुए बताया गया था ये दो शब्दों का मेल है, ठीक है। कौन कौन? ओकोइस एंड नेमिन, ये दोनों ग्रीक वर्ड है। ओकोइस का मतलब होता है हाउस होल्ड और नेमिन का मतलब होता है मैनेजमेंट, हाउस होल्ड मैनेजमेंट। जब हम हाउस होल्ड मैनेजमेंट करते हैं, एक घर परिवार गृहस्थ को चलाते हैं, वो अर्थशास्त्र। अर्थशास्त्र को दूसरे शब्दों में कहा गया सामाजिक विज्ञान है, ये एक साइंस है, ये धन का विज्ञान है। A lot of rules and regulation and definition are coming here, but basically we are going to use only one definition in front of you. With the help of that, we have to know these all things. Okay, so dear students, with the help of these all things, you have to prepare your notes, make your notebooks, and prepare these all things. With the help of this video, you have to complete and share these all lectures to your friends also who is related with you. Okay, thank you all, thank you.